Have some of your students or even some of your colleagues been using those crazy weird video filters during your Zoom sessions? Yeah, how do they do that? Well, welcome to Learning with Lillis, because today we're going to take a look at Snap Camera. Let's hop on the computer and see how they do it. Okay, here we are on my desktop, so I simply want to go down to Google Chrome. I'm starting just here on Google. That's perfect. So I just need to search for Snap Camera. Comes up almost right away. So it is from Snapchat, the makers of that app where you could send messages that disappeared. Yeah, I don't know if it's regaining popularity or not, but anyway, here it is, Snap Camera. It shows a little video demonstration of it in use and seeing some of the fun filters. Weird tongue, dog nose and ears. This guy's head's on fire. So again, just go to this website, snapcamera.snapchat.com, and download. It tells us a little bit about what operating system we need. So it needs Windows 10 or newer and Mac OS 10.13 or newer. So again, I am running, I'll show you here, I'm running 11, Big Sur, but if you're running 10, that is fine. But you do need one of the last two editions of Mac OS to run this. User agreement, yes, of course I've read it. And just put in your school email. And I don't think I'm a robot. And then you just have to decide, download for Mac, download for PC. So I am running a Mac. It's a decent sized file, 128 megabytes, so it's telling me it's going to take about a minute. I'll just speed up this part of the video. Okay, so once that's done, I can go down to it here, and I'm just going to say open. I don't know if you like to say show in Finder or not, but I will just open it right from there. It immediately launches the Snap Camera installer, so you just follow through the prompts. The installation was successful. Awesome. We'll close that. And yeah, let's move that to trash. I don't need to keep the installer program. Now that it's installed, I'll just need to go to Finder. And I can go to my applications. They're all here in alphabetical order. And I will just scroll down to S and find Snap Camera. There it is. Double click to launch that. Snap Camera would like to access the camera. Sounds good. Like to access the microphone? Sure. Welcome to Snap Camera, where Snapchat lenses when you stream, record, or video chat. Sounds great. That's what I want to do. Using Snap Camera is easy. Close any active video or streaming apps. Reopen the app and select Snap Camera in the settings. Sounds great. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's an interesting option it's showing me first. So I can go up here to the settings in the top right, and I am going to use my IPEVO V4K camera. I can use the FaceTime camera. I won't on this because this is really purple for some reason. But if your default, if your only camera is your onboard webcam, that is fine. You've got a couple other options here. Flipping the video, applying retouching, show overlays, green screen, hotkeys, sorry. Not too worried about that. Just want to show you how it works. So again, so this is this blossom face. But along the top row, there's some featured ones here. So I'm going to click on cartoon. Ooh, very nice. I like the very smooth skin and Massive eyes. There we go. So there's cartoon, anime style. So lots of really fun things. These are just, again, some of the featured ones. If I scroll down, so whether you use a mouse, you could track down, or use 2 fingers on your trackpad to scroll down. So work from home, spring, funny, gaming, cute, character, and again, top community lenses. So ones that are really popular right now. Some are just interesting, like it'll look like, oh, I'm FaceTiming Joe Biden. I'm not sure how much you'd want to use one like that, but that's an option. Personally, I like these character ones, like this rancher, for instance. So there we go. Now I've got the nice big hat, big bushy eyebrows, nice mustache, and nice big chin here. So I can use this. And it mimics me. It's my lips moving. It's my eyes and everything. And this filter is just over top of that. So again, you can use this in various apps, whether that's Zoom, Google Meet, or any other program that you might want to use to record yourself to create a video. I'm going to stick with this one for now, or here's one of my other favorites too, this one. I look very dapper here with my fancy beard with a little bit of sparkle in it. So I'm just going to leave this running, and I'm going to open up Zoom just to show you how easy it is to add this entire filter into Zoom. Connecting, that's fine, so I'll just use this account. If I go to settings here in Zoom and go to video, so again, Zoom, I have it set up with a background here, the school background, and this IPEVO V4K camera. That makes sense. That's what I've always been using. Instead now, I want to switch to Snap Camera. So now I have that the video streaming that is coming through Snap Camera, adding that fancy filter, and it maintains my background. So again, I can go to background and filter, and I can change that to none, or change it to whatever I want. And it keeps both. I've got my background, and I've got my filter from Snap Camera. So now I would just open up my Zoom, and away I go. And during the Zoom, if at any time I change, let's just show you both kind of at the same time. If I change this, if I change my filter, it just changed my filter. So that would just change automatically on the fly in Zoom based on whatever is coming out of Snap Camera. That's kind of creepy. I'm not sure about this filter. Let's go with the cute cat instead. There we go. So again, use this for fun, just in a Zoom session with your students, or use it to create a fun video. Like in primary, we're doing the mass singer or mass dancer. So you could try one of these filters to hide your identity and do that, right? Like this one, Cousin It. And I could sing or do my dance with this filter and record that. Okay, so again, have fun, give it a try. Let me know if you have any problems or any questions at all.